So in this video I'm going to show you, if you are opening GCash application, then you will see this problem. You will see like this: something went wrong, please submit a ticket in our help center for further assistance. And you will see this option, submit a ticket. So in this video I will show you how to fix this problem. So I will show you step by step procedure. So let's get started. You have to go back and close this application. Then you have to go to your phone settings, then go to apps, then search GCash, then go to storage, then do click H and clear data, then OK, and go back, do force stop, OK, then go to permissions, do all of these permissions. After allowing, go back and then go to Play Store, then update this application if update is available. That's it. Then open the GCash application. Your problem will be solved. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, then please hit like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.